everyone, I am Aditya Raj Singh. Today I am going to tell you about the solar system part 2. In this video you will learn more about the solar system. If you haven't watched part 1, please watch it. Now let's start, dear viewer. Recap. The solar system. The Sun is in the center of the whole solar system. The Sun and the 8 planets, satellites and the celestial bodies, asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the Sun as its head. The Sun. It is a huge ball made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force called gravity so that the planets could remain stable in its orbit. It is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Planet. A huge mass of rock of gas in space that moves around the Sun. There are 4 terrestrial planets and 4 gas giants in our solar system. An easy way to remember all the planets is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Now in this video we will learn about the structure of the Sun and its distance from the Earth, about the Moon and Mars, Earth, the planet we live in, about Mercury and Venus, and the gas giants, what are they, and the outer planets. And we will learn more facts about the Kuiper belt and the asteroid belt. Structure of the Sun and its distance from Earth. The Sun's surface has several layers beneath the visible surface: the core, the radiative zone and the convective zone. You can see this in the following diagram. The blue area is the inner zone, the radiative zone is the orange area, and the convection zone is the yellow area. These in turn are surrounded by a number of layers that make up the solar atmosphere. Despite being our nearest star, the Earth's current distance from the Sun is about 150 million kilometers away, and light travels at 3 million kilometers per hour. That is the reason why sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth due to the big amount of space between them. But due to its tremendous heat, we do not feel cold. Actually, we don't feel cold or either because the Earth is located in a zone called the habitable zone. In this zone, life can form. It is not too cold, not too hot, and not too cold. The Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, the Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Mars, the red planet. Now you must be being curious about this topic. These days, NASA is also sending a rover which is trying to find out which is trying to find out was there life on Mars or not. Now let's read about it. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Mars carries the name of Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The title refers to the effect of iron oxide prevalent on Mars' surface, which gives it a reddish color distinctive among the celestial bodies visible to the naked eye. Mars has a thin atmosphere which consists of 95% CO2, which is carbon dioxide, 2.6% N2, which is nitrogen, 1.9% R, which is argon, 0.16% O2, oxygen, and 0.06% carbon monoxide, that is CO. Now let's jump to the next topic. Earth, the planet we live in. Now this is one of the important topics. We should know about the planet we live in, and it is compulsory to know about it. The Earth is made of rock and is surrounded by water and gases. It is the only planet where life is known to exist, as it has the right mixture of air, heat and water for things to live. A layer of gases around Earth gives living things air they need to breathe. The sun warms the planet. Plants glow in sunlight, making food for animals. Earth is also known as the blue planet because it looks like blue in color. Mercury, the smallest of all planets. Mercury is the planet's closest to the Sun. Its rocky surface is covered in holes called craters. Most of these were made by rocks crashing into the surface from the space. The surface of Mercury is 4 times hotter than boiling water, 400 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no moons and no atmosphere. In English, Mercury is known as the messenger of the gods. Venus, Earth's twin. Now we will learn about Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is so hot because it is covered in a thick layer of clouds which warm up the planet's surface. The thick clouds make the sky look orange, as you can see in the following picture. The planet's surface temperature is about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, a metal used for absorbing radioactive material. Venus is so hot it glows in the dark. Venus' atmosphere consists of more than 96% CO2, carbon dioxide, 3.5% N2, nitrogen, and droplets of sulfuric acid. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Gas giants and the outer planets. What are gas giants? A gas giant is a giant planet composed mainly of H2, hydrogen, and He, helium. The outer planets. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant. It is a huge round mass made mostly from gases. The stripes you can see here are bands of different gases. As you can see in the following picture, they are stripes, and these are stripes of different gases. It has 79 moons with it. Now we will see about more of the outer planets and the icy giants. Saturn. Saturn is a huge planet made mostly of gases. It has millions of pieces of rock and ice moving around it. From far away, these look like solid rings, as you can see in the following picture. It also has 82 moons. Uranus and Neptune, the icy giants. Uranus. It has faint rings around it made from millions of specks of dust. It looks like as it has been knocked on its side. It has 27 moons. Neptune. Neptune is a very cold and stormy planet. In English, Neptune is known as Roman god of the sea. It has 14 moons. And last, the interesting facts about the Kuiper belt and the asteroid belt. There are more than 500,000 asteroids in the asteroid belt. There are some big main asteroids in the asteroid belt. They are Vesta, Pallas and Hygiea. Vesta is shown here in the following picture. Did you know the dwarf planet Haumea is oval in shape instead of being spherical shape? Yes, you can even see this in this following picture, and this is Haumea. After the Kuiper belt, there is a big cloud covering our solar system. It is called the Oort cloud. By now, only 2000 Kuiper belt objects have been discovered. It is also one of the places where the comets come from. Some Kuiper belt objects also have moon, as you can see in the following picture. This is the object 2000 QR10 and it also has a moon. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos. Please share and comment as well. Adios!